In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of the Discover It Cashback credit card and help you decide whether it's worth getting. If you've been searching for a credit card with flexible rewards, no annual fee, and a solid cashback program, this card might be on your radar. But is it really as good as it sounds? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about what makes the Discover It Cashback credit card stand out. One of its most appealing features is the rotating 5% cashback categories. Each quarter, you can earn 5% cashback on everyday purchases like grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants, Amazon.com, and digital wallets up to the quarterly maximum when you activate. All other purchases earn unlimited 1% cashback. This setup can be a great way to maximize rewards if you plan your spending based on the active categories each quarter. Another major benefit is the Cashback Match. For new cardholders, Discover will automatically match all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year. That means if you earn $300 in cashback, Discover will double it to $600. This feature alone makes the card a strong contender for people looking to get the most value in their first year of use. Now, let's talk about fees. The Discover It Cashback credit card has no annual fee, which is a huge plus. It also offers a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months. This makes it a good option if you're planning a large purchase or looking to consolidate some credit card debt. In terms of customer service and user experience, Discover is often ranked very highly. Their mobile app is user-friendly, customer support is available 24/7, and they offer helpful features like free FICO credit scores on your monthly statements and online account. But this card isn't perfect. The biggest downside for some users is the rotating category system. If you don't spend in those categories or forget to activate them each quarter, you won't earn that 5% cashback. Plus, if you want a card with a flat rate cashback on everything, this might not be the best fit. So, who is this card good for? If you're someone who doesn't mind tracking categories, enjoys maximizing rewards, and wants to avoid annual fees, the Discover It Cashback credit card is definitely worth considering. Especially with the first-year cashback match, the potential value is hard to ignore. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the Discover It Cashback credit card or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.